Flowworks makes teaching different subjects more fun and exciting. With this software, there's no subject beyond being made interactive. So let's go through some of the built-in functions now.
Mathematics has been notorious for being boring for students. Students sit there, listen to the teachers, maybe use their calculators, but this is not interactive. We can change that. Aside from the immediate use as a whiteboard, the QWB offers a lot more solutions. So let's try one right now. First, let's change the background image to something more suitable. Push the Start button. Then push the Change Background Picture button. A list of pre-made backgrounds will come up. Let's select graph paper. You now have a coordinate plane as your background. With this, we can draw slopes and lines that match our calculations. Using the pen or your finger, draw a line that would match such a formula. Maybe we want something more complex, like a parabola. Flow has a geometry palette built in for such a function. Let's tap the slide index on the left-hand side of the screen. We can change this index by pressing the Switch Functional Panel button. It looks like 2 gears. Select the Geometry Palette option. Here, we have multiple pre-made shapes and slopes ready for use. Choose the Square function and draw a line anywhere on the grid like any other picture. You've now made algebra a lot more exciting. But what about geometry? There are some useful tools for this as well. Push the Start button. From here, go to Tools. Select the Compass tool. Now we have a compass just like the actual instrument. Put your finger on the head of the compass and pull it to where we can construct an arc. Put your finger on one of the legs and pull it to change the size. Next, let's pick what we want to draw. Tap the head of the compass. A menu will ask you what you'd like to show. Let's pick the sector option. Now, put your finger on the gray pencil part and drag it in a circle. When you're done, just tap the head of the compass and push exit. Good! What about a triangle? On the bottom toolbar, push the Intelligent Pen button. It looks like a pen drawing a triangle. The Intelligent Pen will autocorrect any line we draw, even shapes. So let's draw a triangle in one motion. The shape will correct itself to make sharp lines. Good! We can even show the dimensions of this triangle. Push the Select button. It's a purple arrow on the bottom toolbar. Now, draw a circle around the triangle. A box around the figure will show up. Push the lower left-hand button and a new menu will pop up. Push the button on the far left and the planar information for this triangle will show. Note, this triangle is still interactive, and that means we can resize it. Try pulling one of the angles to a new place. The planar information will automatically change as well. Nice going! Pythagoras would be proud.